All right, y'all. Hey, it's Sonya Jones with GIP Financials with Mr. Miyagi of Money. I'm in the car. I'm taking my little break. Shout out to Sonic. It's happy hour. Dita. So, I'm treating myself today. Today has been a very eventful day. And so, I wanted to talk to y'all. Trying not to channel my inner mama, but I feel like I need to. First of all, let's just talk about it's April the 5th. If you have not filed your 2021 taxes, child, go on and file an extension. Just go on and do it. And because I love y'all so, I'm going to not file, but I took pictures of me. I had to file an extension because one, I'm taking care of all y'all. So I got to file an extension for my taxes. So I normally use TurboTax, so I filed my extension through TurboTax, and I took a picture of each screen, of course, blotting out all of the important information, so y'all can see that it is free to file your extension for your income taxes. You can do it through TurboTax, even if you don't plan to file through TurboTax. Just set it up, file the extension, and be done. You can also do it through IRS, but the IRS e-file, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, you have to be within a certain income, because you can actually file for free through the IRS free file, but you have to be within certain parameters in your income. So that also includes the free tax filing. So you have those options for you at your disposal. But child, just go to TurboTax. You can do it online. Sign up for free. You don't have to pay anything up front and file the extension. You just need an electronic filing of your extension. So you can go ahead and have that peace of mind to get it done in the next 6 months. Now, hear me clearly. If you owe taxes, there's a good chance that if you owed last year, there's a good chance you may owe for 2021. So just know that they're going to tell you in the tax filing as you're preparing electronically that if you owe taxes, you are still obligated to pay those taxes by April 18th. So if you don't pay anything now and you wait to pay in October and you owe, just know there are going to be penalties attached to it and late fees and all that good stuff. So with that being said, I want to talk to y'all about transparency and integrity when we're talking about these here bookkeeping and accounting services. Again, I feel like a lot of my clientele, because we're beginners, and I get that it's a thing of mindset. When you're investing in an expert, you're not just spending money for somebody to do things, right? This is way beyond somebody, quote unquote, helping you file your taxes. That's, like I said in my 4 financial roles video, the most transactional role is going to be your tax preparer, because 9 times out of 10 you're giving them the information. They are trusting that whatever you give them are your numbers. They're putting it in the form. They're giving you, your tax filing, your refund, all that good stuff, or you have to owe. So that's one thing. Now, as your expert, you're Mr. Miyagi of Money, all things bookkeeping and finance. I cannot help you if you're not telling me the truth about what's going on with your finances. If they're jacked up, they just jacked up. No judgment here. That's why you are investing in an expert. Just saying. No judgment here. None whatsoever. And the way you should handle your financial person is the way, it's just like a doctor. The doctor can only see so many things, especially if it's a new physician with, diagnostics and labs and stuff like that. They're depending on you to tell them the truth, to be a full disclosure, right? Because they can't help you without proper context. Because the last thing that you want is that you tell the doctor one thing and they think they're diagnosing you and helping you in one area, think they're treating one area, and it's really another area, then you're going to end up paying extra deductibles, fees, co-pays, and stuff in the long run. It's the same thing with bookkeeping. It's the exact same thing. You can't say, oh, because I'm going to walk y'all through exactly what my prospective clients do. They go on my website to look at the 3 tiers of a monthly bookkeeping and say, ooh, and I walk y'all through, like, this is how you know which package you need. You take the last 3 bank statements. You count your deposits, your checks, if you have any, and your withdrawals. Whatever you have, average them out. Add each one. Month 1, month 2, month 3, divided by 3. Whatever that is, that's going to be 9 times out of 10 your monthly accounting package with me. Because you have to understand, we, Diamond and I, are going to have to go through each transaction, categorize it the proper way, and make sure that we're reporting and we're looking at trends to make sure that you're not overpaying, right, in a certain area. What if you got clients that are slick running game on you and you don't even know that they're doing it because you're so busy you can't see that you sent invoices they ain't paid you in 3 months, right? That's what you're paying for. That's what we are trained to look at. Okay, you can't go on the website, y'all, and try to finagle, well, I think I only got these transactions and da 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 da, because at the end of the day, when it's tax time and you trying to skirt all these fees with us, then it's time for us to start organizing things for Bro Tunstall over at G1. And Bro Tunstall and I are trying to make sure that your tax liability is reduced. And we cannot help you reduce your tax liability unless we know that you have everything accounted for in your business up front. So say you trying to skimp on the front end and say you only get 6 transactions a month, and then you end up owing like $10,000 in taxes because you don't have all your transactions in QuickBooks. Now all of a sudden, now you get stuff coming out at the wazoo. See, that's lack of integrity. We can't do business. We can't do business because eventually you're going to be mad at us because we're going to charge you for all this additional work, and then you're going to be mad. So it helps everybody on the front end if you are at full disclosure about what your needs are. And if you might not even know what your needs are. So I'm telling you up front, Bro Tunstall and I are going to ask you some questions. The questions may make you feel uncomfortable, right? Just like even at the doctor. We are trying to hear if you're skirting around a response. So we're going to reframe those questions to make sure that we get the appropriate response from you. That's what we're trying to do. Okay? This is not a get rich quick scheme. We are here to help you to make sure we want to see everybody win. And trust me, you do not win, Madam CEO, Brother CEO. You don't win if you owe a big tax bill because that's taking money out of your house. We don't want the alphabet boys on you. It ain't helping us, right? We want to make sure to prevent those things. And especially if y'all got a PPP or EIDL loan, if you don't hurry up and get with an expert, I don't even know what to tell you. Because we're trying to be proactive and not reactive. Okay? So, with that being said, if you need, and you know there's levels to this, I understand. I have free things. I got your 30-minute consultation. I can kind of give you guys on what you need to do, even if you don't, move forward with me. I can help you in that. I give you 30 minutes of my time, sowing seed into you, right? I have YouTube videos. I have an email list, and make sure I'm going to check on my people. I haven't sent the email probably since, say, my small business, so shame on me. I'm going to get with y'all, check in with y'all, show you a little love. And also, next tier be the QuickBooks setup. If you feel like you can handle organizing your stuff on a monthly basis, dude, just let me at least help you with your software. All right? Help you with your software, $250. You get 2 hours of my time to help you get your things organized. I'm going to show you how to do your transactions, how to automate them. I want to show you how to pull your reports, what to look for, all that gloriousness. All right. And if you like, child, I just need you to just take my box of receipts and go for it. Monthly bookkeeping for 2022. Those are the 3 tiers I was talking about. That's on my website. The number of transactions. Take your past 3 bank statements. Average them out. That's what you got. If you need help with prior tax years, 2021, 2020, or whatnot, that's end of year tax prep. That is starting at $2,100, because you're asking us to take prior year 12 plus months of receipts and transactions and try to get them organized. That's like VIP access for accountants, bookkeepers, tax preparers, or whatnot. So I'm just letting you know where that price is coming from. Okay. To get end of year, hold on for a second.
Did you have 2 separate orders?
No, ma'am. I already got my food, baby.
Oh, okay, my bad. I was just trying to see.
Oh, you all right?
Yeah, we gotta help the babies. She got extra sick. Child took that food home. Anyway, but yes. So end of year tax prep. If you need prior year taxes or prior year financials done, I got you. If you need prior year taxes done, I'm gonna walk you right on over to Bro Tunstall, give you the deacon hand. That's a special hand. Give you the deacon hand. Send you on over there, Bro Tunstall or G1 Business Group. All right. So if you need services, holler at me. My info is in. I'm start adding my what's the thing called? The link tree. Start adding my link tree link in here for y'all, because I like the way it's set up a little bit better. So anyway, holler at me. Send me a hey big head if you need some specific questions answered. I'll check you in the message. All right. So as always, get in position. I still love y'all. I'm a fuss agent, but I still love you. Peace.